Hi guys, Car Spire 2.0 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. And just like you guys know that this is the last video of the day. Due to the we know turn racing and tonight because I already done it this morning. And it'll be done tomorrow night. So this is the last video for today. And we'll be unboxing it here with a look at this one right here. We had the Batmobile Treasure Hunt Edition from the 2021 M case. Yeah, this one is actually from the 2021 M case. 3 years old. Right here. And does have a feature on this as well. So I will show you guys on that one. And when we get in the box. So without further ado, let's go get this Batmobile unboxed and get a closer look at it. So here we go, you guys. Okay, I got it. And they did not rip out the Treasure Hunt logo on the card. Alright, let me get out of the way. So yeah, here's that logo again. On the previous one. And here's the last card in the Batman series from 2021. Alright, now we can take a look at the Batmobile itself. There it is, you guys. The dirt is the Batmobile. There are some things I actually love about this one. The wheels really suit the car very well. They're painted yellow. And there are 6 spokes. And they're pointing diagonally. There's a lot of black in there. And yellow. And yes, there is that wind right here. With that gun, which is right here. And yes, it can move. And can fire at enemies or even criminals like Gotham City. But do you guys want to know where the Treasure Hunt logo is located? Well, you guys, it's right here on the roof of the car. I just want to make me one of my most favorite Treasure Hunt because I ever collected here. I cannot wait to try this one on the track when the new season starts. Okay, guys, that is it for this one. So, what do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. Oh yeah, one other thing. Tomorrow will be raining all day, so I won't be going anywhere at all. Instead, they'll be racing all day. So we'll be getting some cars ready for set of racing. For record drive racing and a tournament champion race, the Ultimate Edition in one. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you all tomorrow for my next set of videos. See you later everyone. Bye bye.